friends, welcome back again, and today I'm directly at my table. So today I'm just gonna show how to control this type of servo motors or any kind of servo motors with Arduino, and it is super easy to do. So let's go. First, for controlling the servo motor, you will need this kind of servo motors, and I will give the link for buying this kind of servo motors in the description. So when you will buy this, you will get this in this kind of package. So as you can see, there is a servo motor and some knobs to move it, and then you also need the main thing, that is Arduino Uno, where we will upload a sketch and by which we will control the servo motor. We have two servo motors here, and let's keep it aside and let's see this one. This one I have already picked a knob. It is easy to fix like this. Just open it like this. It will be like this, somewhat like this, and just push it inside and it will easily get fit. And if you want to give it a tight fit, you can easily give a screw. As you can see, there are some screws given inside these packets, so you can give it a screw. So let's connect our wires first. Now in case of connecting the wires, you will definitely need this kind of wires. These are called male-to-male jumper wires. As you can see, there is also a pin type thing and there is also a pin. So these are called jumper wires, male-to-male. So now let me say some things, means they got the Pwm pin, and as you can see, there are three wires in the servo connector. The first one means the yellow one, that is the Pwm pin. See, this is the yellow one, this is the Pwm pin by which we will give signals. And the middle one, that is the red color, it is the 5V connection or 3.3 volts, means is the plus of the servo. You can also give a 3.3 volts and 5 volts, no problem. And the last one, there is the ground color pin, means the ground color wire, that is the ground connection, means here we will give minus. So now let's connect the Pwm pin with the Arduino first. So easily I'm connecting this pin type wire to this one, insert it like this, and there will be another pin. Easily take it to Arduino. But in case of Arduino, see, here is written digital PWM minus. We already know these are the digital pins, and here is written digital PWM minus, means the digital pins beside which this minus sign is given, these are PWM supported. So as you can see, 3, 5, 6, 10, 9, 10, 11, these are PWM supported. By this we can control servos and other things. So you need to connect only within this any of the Pwm pin supported. So let me connect it with 3 number. Okay, I'm connecting the Pwm with the 3 number. You need to remember it. So then it comes the time for power connection. So now I will connect another connector with the, means the middle one, means the plus. So connect it with the Arduino 3.3 volts. As you can see, there is 3.3 volts and 5 volts. You can connect it to anyone. I am connected with the 5 volts. So now again take another male connector and give it to the ground one, means the last one, and give it to the ground pin of the Arduino. So I have connected the ground to the ground. So now our circuit is completed. So now it's time to upload the code or sketch, means the code by which we will run the servo to the Arduino. So let's go to our PC and let's upload the code to the Arduino. Now in case of code, I already did a video and the video link in the description. In that video I control a servo motor in Proteus. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it, and the video link is in the description. So in that video I made the code very clearly understood. So see that video and you will understand the code very clearly. And here I just included the servo library, and then I wrote the servo name and I declared a name, that is my servo. I just declared a name. You can give any kind of name. And then in word setup I just wrote the pin by which we attach the servo Pwm pin. See, there is 3 number pin, means in digital pin 3 we attach the Pwm pin of the servo. And then when the Arduino gets powered and the servo gets powered, the servo will write to 0, means it will come to 0 degree. So that's it. And in while loop again, at first the servo will go to 0 degree and stay at 0 degree for 1 second. And after that the servo will go to 90 degree and stay at 90 degree for 1 second. And at the last, the servo will go to 180 degree and stay there for 1 second. And again it will just loop this thing again and again. So now we will just upload the sketch. So for uploading the sketch, connect the Arduino with the USB cable to any of the USB port of your PC, and after connecting it, if you haven't installed the driver, you should, or else it will not get the connection. So when you will install the drivers, here you will see in the port where you connected, it will show COM3 Arduino Uno, means in COM3 of my, in the USB port 3 of the PC I connected the Arduino Uno. So just click it So again go to tools and select the right board. See board Arduino Uno. So select the right board and now simply click this upload button. So now after some time it will just upload it. See, it's compiling the sketch, and when it will upload you will see some light blinking in the Arduino. Okay, it's uploading, let's wait. Sometimes it takes some time, it depends on the long of the code. Okay, now code is uploaded, so let's see how does it works. Now as you saw, successfully uploaded our sketch to the Arduino, so and our wiring is also correct. So now I will just use a simple power bank to power the Arduino. So I am just connecting the USB with the power bank now. Okay, as you can see the Arduino got powered up and the servo is also moving up. So according to the code I just wrote, it will go to 90 degree. Wait, it will go to 90 degree and then 180 degree and again come to 0 degree. So let's power it up again. Okay, now as you can see the servo is moving nicely. So in case of the rotation, if you want to move it slowly, then there is also something. So in my next video I will just show you how to move it slowly. And as you can see it is moving nicely. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, again come to 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. So I just coded like that and it is running so nicely. So you can also do something like this, and there are some nice projects to do with this kind of servo motors, and some people also make robots with these servo motors. So it is a very useful thing for in our daily life. And some like obstacle avoiding cars, they use this kind of servo motors to move the ultrasonic sensor and something like that. So there are many kind of projects to do with this thing. So you can also buy it, and the link for buying this kind of thing is given in the description. So that's for today. See you in my next video.